Hello everyone. Today we'll find the angular momentum of an electron. Okay, so this is the lambda and this is the radius. So we'll find so this is the diagram how we'll get the our angular momentum. So from the de Broglie hypothesis, so we know that the circumference is the distance. Okay, so we can say 2 pi r is equal to the n lambda. Okay, and we know that the lambda is equal to h by mv. So put lambda value here, so we'll get the pi r equal to nh by mv. So cross multiply, except r will be stay here, so cross multiply is equal to cross multiply will be mvr and divide 2 pi here. Okay, and L, we know that the mvr is L equal to n by 2 pi. So this is the angular momentum. Thank you everyone.